Please watch the videos mentioned in the description box to know what are nouns. The link is given. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Rajni and Champs. Children, if I'll say the pen belongs to Nishtha is so big, or if I'll say the colors belongs to Nishtha are so beautiful, isn't that so complicated? I can also say it like this: Nishtha's color are so beautiful. Or I can say Nishtha's pen is so big. These two sentences can be said like this: the pen belongs to Nishtha, or Nishtha's pen. Color belongs to Nishtha, or Nishtha's color. Both means the same. This form of noun is possessive noun, as it shows something belongs to someone. These are apostrophe, and apostrophe plays important role here. I am an apostrophe. I say what belongs to whom. A noun can show what it owns or possesses. We can add an apostrophe s to show ownership. There are general rules to form possessive noun. Number 1 is we add an apostrophe s to make a singular noun possessive. For example, bags, Nishtha's, Ram's. Number 2, we add only apostrophe to make a plural noun ending in s possessive. For example, cats, dogs, girls, boys. Here only an apostrophe is used because they all are plural nouns ending in s. Number 3, we add an apostrophe s to a plural noun that does not end in s to make it possessive. For example, the sheep's food. Children, we have learned that plural of sheep remains same. So, the plurals that does not end in s, we add an apostrophe s to them to make it possessive noun. It means the food that belongs to sheep. Next, the deer's antlers, and we all know that plural of deer remains same. So we will add an apostrophe s to make it possessive noun. We have seen all the rules to form possessive noun. Now let's look at these sentences. Number 1, that is my bag's cover, means I'm talking about the cover that belongs to my bag only. I have used apostrophe s to make it possessive. Number 2, this is Nishtha's pen. I have used an apostrophe s to show that this pen belongs to Nishtha. This is Ram's book, means this book belongs to Ram only. Now next sentence is that is girl's room. Girls is plural noun. So what we will do to make it plural possessive noun? Yes, you are right. We will add an apostrophe only. This means that room belongs to all the girls out there. This is cat's chain. Here we are talking about plural noun, cats. So what we will do? We will add an apostrophe only to make it possessive plural noun. Means this chain belongs to all the cats. Look at this sentence. The children mother is pretty. Children is plural noun that doesn't end in S. So how can we make it possessive plural noun? Yes, we will add an apostrophe S to make it possessive plural noun. The deer antlers are very sharp. Children, here deer is a plural noun that doesn't end in S. So we will add an apostrophe S to make it possessive plural noun. Let's take a short look again to the rules to form possessive nouns. Number 1, we add an apostrophe S only to form singular nouns possessive like these. And we add an apostrophe only to make plural nouns ending in S. Okay children? But with those plural nouns that does not end in S, what we do with them? We add an apostrophe S. Okay? A noun that shows ownership or relationship is a possessive noun. And possessive nouns always comes before the nouns that belongs to it. And children, don't forget this guest name because an apostrophe plays a very important role in possessive nouns, children. Okay, I hope you all have understood what are possessive nouns and how an apostrophe plays an important role to form possessive nouns. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep studying, children. God bless you.